Guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 4. 这个工作是他帮我介绍的。这个工作是他帮我介绍的。He recommended me for this job. So first, look at these pictures and how to match these pictures with words or phrases. So first one, 生日，生日。So that means birthday. Choose C, right? And number 2, 晚上，晚上。That means evening, 晚上。So choose F. And next one, 两个儿子，两个儿子。So that means 2 sons. So choose E, right? 电话。Telephone, so choose D. And next one, 看书 choose A. Read book, 看书 choose A. Next one, 工作，工作 work, so choose B. And the answers are C, F, E, D, A, B. Okay, so text 1. In the classroom, so number 1, A says, 生日快乐 Happy birthday, right? 这是送给你的。So here 生日 that means birthday, and 快乐 means happy or glad. So 给 preposition here, so used after a verb, to or for. So this is for you. 这是送给你的。So one more time, 生日快乐。这是送给你的，是什么？是一本书吗？ So what is it? Is it a book? 是什么？是一本书吗？ So yes or no question and 对 yes 这本书是我写的 Wow So a book written by me 这本书是我写的太感谢你了 Thank you so much Okay, so first let's learn that this grammar and the structure 是 something 的 emphasizing the agent and agent of an action. So that means when the currency of an action is known, 是什么的 can be used to emphasize the agent of the action. So for example, 这本书是我买的 So this book is bought by me, right? 晚饭是妈妈做的 So the dinner is cooked by mom. 电话是谁打的？电话是谁打的 So who is called the phone? And negative form add 不 before 是 So here this one, the first object. So you should know that emphasize this sentence and object should located in the first position of the sentence. So object and 是 something. And this one, 这个汉字不是大卫写的 So this Chinese word is not written by David, right? 苹果不是王芳买的，电话不是我接的。So here this negative form is very easy because you just add 不 here before 是。And when you want to emphasize the agent of an action, and you should put object first, okay? And then 是 this verb and who and another word, okay? So second text, at home. 早上有你一个电话，电话是谁打的 So someone called you this morning. Who? 电话是谁打的 So this deleted or ignored something. So who called, right? Who is called the phone? And this one, 不知道是 不知道，是儿子接的。I don't know. Our son answered it. 好，晚上我问一下儿子。Okay, I will ask him about this evening. 接 So when you want to say that pick up a phone and to receive, to take, to accept, we can use this new word 接电话 pick up phone 晚上 evening night 晚上 evening night 问 to ask 问 Okay, so number 3 on the playground 你喜欢踢足球吗？非常喜欢 So do you like playing football? Yes, very much 非常 here means very, extremely 非常 very, extremely And this one, 你是什么时候开始踢足球的 So when did you begin to play football? So when we want to indicate the time, something 的时候 and use this grammar, numeral add major word at 的时候 So indicates time. For example, this one, 今天早上8点的时候我没在家 So when it's 8 o'clock in the morning, I was not home. Something at 的时候 Number 2, 我18岁的时候一个人来到北京 So I came to Beijing when I was 18 years old. This sentence, try to remember and take note. 我11岁的时候开始踢足球 I was 11 when I played football. 已经踢了10年了 So it's already 10 years old, right? And take note of this one, indicating time 的时候 Okay, so the last one, in the company. 你在这儿工作多长时间了？已经2年多了。我是2011年来的。So how long have you been working here? More than 2 years, since 2011. So here, when you want to ask someone something has done for how long time, you want to know the time, you can use this sentence to asking special sentence. So how long? 多长时间 How long means 多长时间 So have you been working here? 你在这儿工作 But we need to put the question, special question, sentence or words, this one, in the end of the sentence. 多长时间 We don't say that 多长时间你在这儿工作了 No, but in English sentence order that we use how long in the beginning of the sentence. Try to remember the sentence order, okay? This one, 你认识谢先生吗？认识 So do you know Mr. 谢？认识 Yes. 我们是大学同学 He's my college classmate. 这个工作是他帮我介绍的 So translate this sentence, 这个工作 means this job 是他帮我介绍的 is recommended by him, right? So he recommended me for this job. Okay, and new words, let's review. 长浪两 to 帮 that means to help, to assist. 介绍 to introduce, to recommend. Okay, this is unit 4. And only one grammar we left, and we use this adverb of time 已经 So indicates that an action has been completed or having reached a certain degree. 王老师已经回家了 So Miss Wang is already being home. Mr. Wang has been home already. 我的身体已经好了 So my body is already recovered. 好了。我已经踢了10年了。So played football for 10 years. 已经 that indicates an action has been completed or having reached a certain degree. Okay, this is all for Unit 4, and I hope you can review after this class, and good luck to you. Please read. Reading is very important, and speaking is very important to learn language right. So see you next time. Next time we'll learn Unit 5. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.